Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Poco F3 and the Huawei AM61 Bluetooth Wireless Earphones, and I'm going to show you how we can connect these buds to the smartphone. So the first, you have to click and hold this button on the middle. Let's make it. Click and hold. Keep holding. And when this indicator is blinking on the red and the blue color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone, enable Bluetooth, and then take a look on the available devices. As you can see, it's still blinking. We have to click on the AM61. Just tap on it once and click pair. And as you can see right now, it is activated. And as you can see, it was very simple, right? So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.